Picture windows are a favorite among Pasadena homeowners who want to bring in abundant natural light and enjoy clear, unobstructed views. With their large, fixed glass panels and clean design, picture windows create a bright, open feel that enhances both comfort and style. Because they don't open, picture windows are designed primarily for light and views, making placement especially important. If you're considering adding picture windows to your Pasadena home, here are the best rooms to maximize their impact. Living rooms for stunning natural light. The living room is one of the most popular places to install picture windows. As a central gathering space, it benefits greatly from natural light and a sense of openness. In Pasadena, where sunny days are common, a large picture window can transform a living room into a warm, inviting space. Positioned to face your front yard, backyard, or landscaped garden, it creates a focal point that draws attention. Because picture windows are fixed and tightly sealed, they also provide excellent energy efficiency when paired with double-pane glass and low-E coatings, helping maintain indoor comfort even during warmer months. Dining rooms for bright, welcoming atmosphere. Picture windows work beautifully in dining areas. Natural light enhances meals, creates an inviting environment for guests, and makes the room feel larger. Installing a picture window in your dining room can frame outdoor greenery or patio spaces, blending indoor and outdoor elements seamlessly. To balance ventilation needs, many homeowners pair a central picture window with smaller operable windows on either side. Bedrooms for peaceful views. Bedrooms are another ideal location for picture windows, especially when privacy and scenic views are priorities. A well-placed picture window can capture morning sunlight and provide calming views of trees or landscaping. Because the window doesn't open, it creates a secure and airtight seal, reducing drafts and outside noise. For Pasadena homeowners who want a quiet, restful retreat, picture windows offer both beauty and performance. Home offices for focus and inspiration. With more people working from home, natural light in office spaces has become increasingly important. Picture windows provide bright, consistent light that reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day. Facing a landscaped yard or outdoor space can also provide a visually calming backdrop, improving focus and productivity. Because they are fixed, picture windows eliminate distractions caused by drafts or rattling, creating a comfortable workspace. Stairwells and hallways. For added brightness. Stairwells and hallways are often overlooked when planning window placement, yet they benefit significantly from additional daylight. A strategically placed picture window can brighten an otherwise dim area, improving both aesthetics and safety. In Pasadena homes with multiple levels, adding natural light to stairwells enhances the overall flow and openness of the interior. Family rooms facing backyards. Family rooms that overlook patios, pools, or gardens are ideal candidates for picture windows. The large glass surface allows you to enjoy backyard views year-round. During gatherings or relaxing evenings, the expanded view makes the space feel connected to the outdoors. In Pasadena's climate, this indoor-outdoor visual connection enhances everyday living. Pairing with energy-efficient features. Because picture windows are larger than many other window styles, choosing energy-efficient glass is essential. Look for double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, insulated vinyl or fiberglass frames. These features help regulate temperature and prevent excessive heat gain during warmer seasons. A smart design choice for Pasadena homes. Picture windows offer unmatched clarity, natural light, and architectural appeal. When installed in the right rooms, such as living areas, bedrooms, dining spaces, and home offices, they enhance both comfort and design. For Pasadena homeowners looking to brighten their interiors and enjoy scenic views, picture windows provide a beautiful and energy-efficient solution that elevates any space.